Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to write code on your Google sites, then this video is for you. This is actually my sites on Google sites. So Google sites is pretty much a simple and a awesome platform that will allow you to create a responsive and creative website totally free. So if you want to add your code, or you want to add some codes to your website, then you can just simply tap on embed button here, and from here you can just go to the embed code, where you can write any code that you have. So you can just write any code according to your needs, and you can just function anything on your website, or add any widgets or any features that can help the users pretty much, and it can help to reach your websites to the Google rank up. And that's pretty simple. So you can just go to the embed code, and you can just add your code, and you can just easily add some features and widgets. Hope you got this. If so, then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Happy coding.